Hey everybody, I'm Chris. Welcome to my channel. If you've never been here before, and if you've been here before, welcome back. Thank you so much for coming back. You'll look great. In this video, I'm going to show you just how fast and easy it is to start investing in 2020. We're talking having no account, no brokerage whatsoever, none of that business, to having an account, having shares, stock, being a real deal investor. We're going to time the process start to finish so you see just how fast it is and just how simple it is. I know when I first started investing, that was one of the things that intimidated me. I didn't know how complicated the procedure was to start. I didn't know what the process was at all. I was just some guy. You know, I can't just buy shares of a company. I'm just some guy. Well, that's where I was wrong. Because you can. Learning to use money as a tool to make more money is something I'm learning and getting better at every single day. And investing was one of my most significant steps into making that actually happen. How about I sweeten the pot? There is a link in the description right now that you can click and do the exact same things that I'm about to do. But if you follow that link, you will get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,600. $1,600 is a lot of money, folks. At the very least, it's valued at $8. All you have to do is put $100 into the Webull account, which I'm about to create just as well. All you have to do is transfer $100 into that account. You don't even have to invest that money, and you get the 2 free stocks valued at a minimum $8. So at the worst case scenario, you get 8% return on your money for nothing. And at the best, you get $1,600. What's better than that? No matter what, you profit here, okay? There's not a lot of things in life where you can only profit. This is one of them. So click that link, follow along, literally start investing. It's so easy, and today we're doing it, okay? Boom, we are on the computer or potentially on your phone. If you're on your phone, it is an even easier process, but this is a more complicated version of it, which is still easy as all hell, but either way, it'll be the same rough process. So just watch this speed, watch this ease, okay? Open an account, boom, email. Password, I'm not going to tell you what that is. Click get code, you'll get a code sent to your email. Let's go check that right now. Boom, 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 code, copy, paste, sign up. Okay, now click open account. Fill out your name. I am Chris, middle name K with a period, last name Daniels. Google me, feel free. Gender male, 03041998, marital status single, number of dependents 0, social, gonna blur this part out, probably anyway. Citizenship, lovely, phone number, residential address, easy peasy. Boom, confirm, mailing address the same, yes, continue, status employed, self-employed, nature of business. Media, I make movies, employer name, Chris K. Daniels. Now it'll ask you some basic investment stuff. Just fill it out according to you, not according to me. Investment experience, good. What's your overall investment? I like growth. How long do you plan to invest your money? 7 or more years. The global stock market is often volatile. So this question about volatility for them just marks what your outlook on risk is. So I would keep all or buy more. Financial information. How important is liquidity to you? Not important. What is your approximate yearly income? I'm not telling you guys that. Approximate net worth. What is the approximate total value of cash in liquid investments? Boom. Then you just need to verify with an ID, easy, driver's license. I have a picture of mine on my computer because I am always ready for action. Lovely, continue. Regulatory information, are you or a family member a senior? No. For account type, just choose cash account, easy, continue. Click to e-signature, this is gonna be messy. Boom, legal signature, I agree. Verify your email. Yes. Congratulations, application submitted for approval. That is it. Now they'll send you an email to officially sign in and your journey begins. It is that easy. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes and I am officially approved. Look at this. My email just came. My brokerage account has been approved. That is unbelievable speed. Okay, just click learn more, get started. Account, individual, real-time verification, lovely, continue, connect your bank, whatever bank that may be. I'm gonna connect my local bank. Okay, my account's connected, gonna pop on $100, deposit. I have read and I do understand. Confirm, and boom, it's initiated. Okay, the email has arrived. This is what it looks like. Dear Webull client, claim your free stock. All these details. All I want is my free stock. I don't want to read. Let's do this. If you're doing this in the mobile app, it's even easier. Just literally follow these steps. Open the Webull app, click menu, click my free stock, click get, draw your free stock. Now you have it. Great job. If you're on desktop like me, just go back to the site, click help, click promotion, click free stock allocation rules, click track my free stocks, tap me, and boom, it's free stock time. Let's hit claim. And wow, yes, we have now heard 3 times that we've got free stocks, but it's okay. Great. We love free stocks. Let's click get. And free stock number 1 is Zynga with a $10 value. Very nice. Let's continue. And free stock number 2 is also Zynga for a $10 value. So that's it. Account created. You're an investor now. 2 free stocks. Little anticlimactic that I got the same 2 free stocks, but listen, it's free money. I'm not complaining even though I'm complaining. But Zynga, hey, it's an interesting company. It's the one with the little puppy dog that has all the mobile games. So there's potential for growth there. But either way, that is $20 free. Okay, $20 free feels nice. And even nicer than that, you've officially got a brokerage account. You can invest freely now. That's it. It's that easy. So that's it. I'll cut it off here. I don't want to drag this out too much, but hopefully that goes to show, hopefully there's some value here. It is not an intimidating process to set up a brokerage account, to start investing, to go get some free money. It is that easy. I encourage everyone to click that link down below, get some free shares, and start investing. Even if you don't click that link, you don't want to do it through Webull, great. Go do Robinhood, go do Vanguard, whatever. Just start investing. That should go to show you it is not an intimidating process. It's a fast process. And then from there, you know, educate yourself once you get started. But the process of actually getting shares and putting money into investing, into Wall Street, it's not scary. It's not complicated. Start using your money to make you money. All right, cool. Go check out my previous videos if you're interested. Subscribe, join the fun, stay a while. I've got a whole lot of plans for exciting content coming in the very near future. More investing stuff, more productivity stuff if you're into that, and just value. I just want to share the things that I've succeeded at, share some of the things I've learned along the way, and things that I find most effective for improving me both financially, productively, professionally, whatever. Just if you're interested, stick around. Hopefully you're enjoying these. And follow me on Instagram to keep up with other cool things I got going on if you wanna. All right, I'm really going to stop talking now. Thank you so much for watching this far in. Thanks for listening to me talk. Go about your lives, enjoy, and be safe out there. See you next time.